I'm Dash and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a super exciting one because I am going to be showing you how to get rid of acne scars at home. So I recently just tried out this right here. This is the Banish Acne Kit. So I'll be explaining what is this Banish Acne Kit to remove all your scars, acne scars, and also what is microdermabrasion, microneedling. So if you want to know more about how to get rid of your acne scars at home, then just keep watching. But as always, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Also follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page at DaintyDashBeauty. Like this video if you enjoy and comment down below what future videos would you like to see, and just keep watching. So this is the Banish Acne Kit that I received, and as you can see inside it comes with the Banish oil. And this is the box packaging of the Banisher. This is actually the Banisher, as you can see right here. I'm just going to open it up. It comes in like this. And you can see this is the bristle. The bristle is made with titanium needles. So as you can see right here, it is super tiny, super fine. So just a little bit about the Banish Acne Scar. They are actually created, designed and also packaged in California, and all the product is freshly made and also natural. For example, this oil right here, this is the Banish oil. It contains vitamin C and also vitamin E. So basically after you're done microneedling, microdermabrasion, which I will explain later, it basically might get a little bit like redness, and also the oil is basically to help to increase the effectiveness, so all the scars and hyperpigmentation will fade away. So what is actually microdermabrasion and microneedling, and why we actually want to use it? So it basically helps to promote more collagen onto the skin. The titanium bristle that you saw just now on the Banisher is actually to create micro channels so that it can produce more collagen, and once it can produce more collagen, the skin is actually like plumping up so that your pores and also can grow smaller, and also it also plumps up all the fine lines. So it helps to prevent premature aging, like to reduce fine line and also texture, to solve uneven skin tone like hyperpigmentation, and also to solve the most common skin issue like to solve the acne scarring, blackhead, and also enlarged pores. So this kit right here allows you to have the microdermabrasion and also microneedling process at home itself to really get rid of your acne scar at home. And this kit is actually retailing for 75 USD. We also recommend you to change up the Banisher after 3 to 4 uses, because to really prevent the build-up of the bacteria at the Banisher itself. It also says at the website that you can see result after 4 to 8 weeks of using this. So now I'm going to show you how to use this Banish Kit right here, and also let you see a close-up of my skin. So as you can see, this is my bare skin. I already cleansed my skin as well as my hands. You need to make sure that your skin and also your hands is super clean, super sanitized, because we don't want any bacteria like to touch our face and get like infected and all. So the first thing that you need to do is actually get this container out from the Banish Kit, and this inside is actually rubbing alcohol, also known as isopropyl alcohol. And what you need to do is actually to sanitize the Banisher. So after I put in the rubbing alcohol, what you need to do is just immerse the head of the Banisher and let it immerse for about 5 to 10 minutes to really make sure it is sanitized. So as you can see, the Banisher is fully immersed into the rubbing alcohol, and I'll be right back to show you how it works. So it's more than 5 minutes that I've soaked the Banisher into the rubbing alcohol, so now it's nice and sanitized. And what I'll be doing is actually super simple. So what you will actually do is to place the Banisher onto your skin, and make sure you're not rolling over acne scars, like active acne scars, for example this right here, and also something like this right here, because what it will do is actually to spread more bacteria around this area right here. So make sure you don't go over your active acne scars. So what I'm going to be doing is to place the Banisher and roll downwards like that at the same area for 4 to 5 times. So I think it's 4 and 5. And because you'll be thinking that, oh, because it's like having like needles poking on your skin, and some people will say that it's actually pain, but for me there's no pain at all. Like some people rate it even 1 out of 10, but for me it's like almost 0. So if you scared pain, like even my skin is actually quite sensitive, but there's no pain to it, so I'm just rolling it. This area has more acne scars, and I'm gonna be closer to really help my pores. You can also go in different direction, for example like this. And the thing is that you no need to press hard at all, because the force is actually like, at first, the first time I used it, I thought it wasn't doing anything because it feels no pain, and also like it's just like very natural movement. And as you can see, I have some acne scars going on right here, so I'm just gonna go over it, and also at my brows. So after you have done the process, you can sanitize your Banisher by using the rubbing alcohol for 5 to 10 minutes, and after that you can store it safely onto the Banisher case right here. So this is right after I have done the microdermabrasion using the Banisher, and as you can see, there are no like redness on my skin going on, and this is actually the second time I have used the Banish Kit, so every 2 weeks. So from the first time, I have seen like my pores is definitely reduced. On my acne scar, at this side is more prominent that like it was until here a bigger patch. So I can see on top here is actually fading, and also at my temples has also faded. On this side and also on my forehead right here, it still remain the same, as again they promised to see result on 4 to 8 weeks, so I'm still waiting for more uses out of it. So now I'll be using the Banish oils. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 4 drops will be enough. I'm just going to massage it like that.
And then it smells really so good. Just gonna like have it onto my skin.
And after you put the oil, it might feel a little bit tinglingness. Like for now, I can feel like a little bit tinglingness. I don't know why, but I think it's the thing that really works the skin. So the oil is basically help to like calm the skin down, and also to help to reduce the scars. And this is basically it. So right after this, you can actually head onto your bed and you can just sleep like that. And it is advised to not use any makeup for the next 12 hours, and if you're going out for the next 12 hours, make sure to use sunscreen, because obviously it helps to protect like hyperpigmentation and also like dark spots creating on your skin itself. So this is basically end of process. Super simple, super easy. So this is how my skin is looking after I use the Banish Kit and also the Banish oil. As you can see, there's no like any severe redness going on, even though my skin is on the sensitive, dry and also combination side all at the same time. And yeah, this is how it's looking. So I can't say it gives immediate result right away after, because this is my second time using it, but I'll be sure to update you guys like before and after pictures on my Instagram, so keep a look out for that. So what do I expect from this Banish Kit? I really hope to see my acne scar really like reduce significantly, because that is mainly my problem right now. My acne scar, especially on my cheek right here and also at my forehead, and also basically on my pores, which is definitely I can see a slight improvement. It's already reduced. And also, before I forget, it's actually the fine lines on my mouth right here, not really on my forehead because there's nothing much, or under my eye, because I don't really use the Banisher really close under my eye because I really like scared anything happen. But onto my fine lines over here, like my smile line, it definitely did reduce like quite a lot, because I can see a difference between like when I wear my foundation. Like, wait, my foundation had like less smile lines already, so that is a very good sign. So basically that is it for the video, and if you want to get this Banish Kit right here, I will put the direct link where you can get it down in the description box below. Yeah, that's it for this video, and I hope this video was definitely helpful for you guys on to know more about microdermabrasion and also about the Banish acne scars kit, and also basically how to remove these acne scar at home itself. So do give this video a thumbs up if you thought was helpful, and also if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on my next video.